Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Resurrection Motorsports. Today we're working on a project that is near and dear to my heart. It's a 2004 Mach 1 Mustang that is my personal vehicle. Long story short, put a turbo kit on the car and detonated 3 pistons. I didn't have a place to work on it, so I sent it to this shop to fix it. They didn't fix it, or didn't build the motor like I asked and put the turbo kit on and tune it. Took it to another shop. Same story. Had it for months, didn't work on it. Third shop, big name shop in the game, same thing, car sat. They did upgrade the fuel system, but after that, car sat, nothing got done. So now that the car has a fuel system, the motor is in it, the turbo kit's on it, me and my buddy that you're going to see in this video, Gavin, we're going to take it and finish the car ourselves and hopefully get it on a dyno, get it on the track when we're done, and see what it puts down. It's a simple build, forged bottom in, 74mm turbo, but in this series what you're going to see us finishing up is we are putting a Holley Terminator system in it. Yep, aftermarket computer for fuel, injection, air, all of that. We're going to get it tuned and see what it can do. In this video that you're about to see, it's a time lapse of us pretty much just laying out the harness, figuring out what we're going to do, and go from there. In future videos we are going to take the time to break down what we're doing and show you guys what's going on, what this harness is for, what that harness is for, and really dig into it for you. But being this is kind of the intro to this series, I just wanted to get it out there, put it out there, show you guys that we did make some progress on the car, show you the car, and go from there. While you're here today, we got new shirts. These are our Eat, Pray, Rent shirts that I designed. We have these shirts that you guys can pick up. We have Resurrection Motorsports logo shirts that you've seen in other videos, and I believe I have on in this video in the time lapse. And if you're interested in those, leave a comment and we'll see what we can do to get you a shirt. As we're building things, we're trying to figure out the best way to put those things out there. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, if this is your first time here, I hope you guys subscribe to the video, and I hope you enjoy the content and stick around to see some more. On that note, always remember, I love you, God loves you. See ya.